Welcome to our Excel tutorial. If you're looking to streamline your list-making process or need a simple way to keep track of data entries, today's lesson is for you. We'll cover 3 methods to auto-number a column in Excel, each offering a unique approach to this common task. Let's begin with the first method, which leverages the built-in row function. This function is designed to return the row number of a given cell reference, making it perfect for generating a series of sequential numbers. To implement this method, simply click on cell B1 where you want your numbering to start. Type =row into the cell and hit enter. Excel will automatically display the row number for B1. Now, position your mouse over the cell's bottom right corner until you see a small square, the AutoFill handle. Click and drag this handle down the column to auto-fill the subsequent cells with increasing row numbers. Our second method introduces the offset function, which is typically used to return a range that's a portion of a specified range. However, it can also be creatively employed to create a numbering sequence that's independent of the actual row numbers. To use the offset function for auto-numbering, click on any blank cell where you wish to start your sequence. Enter the formula =offset A2 -1 0 +1. This formula offsets the reference A2 by 1 row up and then adds 1 to the resulting row number. Copy this formula down the column by either dragging the AutoFill handle or double-clicking the handle and dragging to AutoFill with a continuous numbering sequence. The third method is a feature of Excel's AutoFill known for its speed and versatility. It's an excellent option when you want to quickly extend a series of numbers or dates down a column without writing formulas. With this method, start by typing the first number of your desired sequence into the first cell of the column. For example, if you want to number an inventory list, you might type 1 into the first cell. After entering the initial number, select the cell and position your cursor over the bottom right corner until it changes to a plus sign, the AutoFill handle. Click and hold the left mouse button, then drag down across the cells where you want the numbering to continue. As you drag, Excel will automatically extend the series for you. Release the mouse button to complete the autofill. Once you've filled the cells with your sequence, you have the option to customize the fill further. Right-click on the filled cells, and from the context menu, select Fill Series. Here, you can adjust the step value, the stop value, or even change the type of series if needed. That concludes our look at auto-numbering in Excel. Whether you prefer the simplicity of the row function, the flexibility of the offset function, or the speed of the AutoFill handle, you now have 3 powerful tools to add auto-numbering to your Excel repertoire. Thank you for watching. Practice these methods to enhance your efficiency and mastery of Excel. For more Excel tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel.